Senate resolution even before the impeachment court is convened?
Well, ang pagkakaalam ko dyan, under the Constitution, ang trabaho ng Senate is to hear, diba? And sa amin naman is to prosecute. So, hindi ko naiisip kung paano nila i-dismiss yan without first conducting the trial. And that is their constitutional mandate.
So, unconstitutional po yun, kumbaga.
Well, for me, that is unconstitutional. They're violating their constitutional mandate.
Although allegations pa lang po itong mga ito, pero anong magagawa ng House Prosecution Panel po para akalampagin po yung Senado na mag-convene as an impeachment court?
For now, hindi ko pa kasi alam yung issue. Pababa lang ako nung narinig ko si Senator Ping Lacson na ini-interview. Basically, hindi ko pa masagot dahil hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung laman ng resolution, hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung talagang mismong gist, no? So, basta't ako, yung opinion ko dyan is ang constitutional mandate ng Senate is to conduct the trial.
It's de facto dismissing the impeachment trial, the impeachment complaint. How do you feel about this?
Well, syempre, parang sa amin, ito kasi yung naging, ito kasi yung trabaho namin eh. We are just performing our constitutional duty. So, syempre, kung ito naman ay babaliwalain by mere resolution, tingin ko parang hindi naman maganda.
So do you think
Ano
it's unfair for
nararamdaman
the
mo?
Senate to kill the trial?
Ano po?
Do you think it's unfair for the Senate to kill the trial?
They have to explain it to the people.
Ano
Sir,
naramdaman
if they
niyo, sir?
dismiss it by a mere Senate resolution, is that basis to go to the Supreme Court?
For now, hindi pa namin napag-uusapan kung ano magiging steps dahil hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung laman ng resolution eh.
Basta yung preparation nyo, sir, ngayon, tuloy yung June 11, yun ang
Yun ang
thinking ng
pagkakaalam ko po
prosecution.
na June 11.
Ma'am, sir, dinasahan natin this morning doon sa hearing po ng Good Government Committee as regards kay VP Sara. Kasi nakalagay doon.
Magte-terminate tayo eh. Magte-terminate na tayo ng mga, kasi tapos na yung mga hearing. So we have to terminate. So we have to issue na ng mga committee report. So siguro by next week, maglalabas na tayo ng mga committee report.
Sir, initially, ano yung lalamanin ng committee report on VP Sara?
Naayos pa dahil kinukulit ko pa lahat. Hindi lang naman ako magdidesisyon yan. It's going to be the committee. So, syempre, lahat ng mga opinion ng mga miyembro, kukunin ko. Tapos lahat yun, pagsasama-samahin natin.
So, hindi pa ito yung last hearing, sir?
Ito na yung last hearing for termination. Tapos sasubmit sila ng kanilang mga recommendation. Gagawa ng committee report, paiikutin natin.
So, sir, wala pa today yung committee report?
Well, wala pa.
May inibita pa rin po ba kayo from
Wala.
DEP? Wala na po.
Sir, may mga recommendation ba to file charges dun po sa mga nauna nyo?
Kasi nung nakaraan, di ba, nung last namin, may mga recommendation na sila eh. So, hindi mo naman maaalis na magkakaroon ng mga recommendation. If I remember it correctly, during our last committee hearing, nag-present kami ng aming report. So basically, yun na yung magiging laman nun, more or less.
Message to the Senate, sir.
Siguro kami naman, we just want to perform our constitutional mandate. So, siyempre sa Senate, ang bola naman kasi ngayon nasa kanila na eh. Wala na sa House eh. So kami naman nag-aantay lang. Ang alam ko, sa June 11, pupunta kami sa Senate. We-welcome nila kami doon. So, with respect dito sa resolution, I'm sorry, hindi ko pa kasi alam talaga kung ano yung laman.
Pero sir, tama ba na pagbobotohan pa kung dapat mag-convene o hindi? Tama ba yun?
Well, under the law, dapat ano na sila eh, i-convene na nila yung impeachment court eh. Because that is not their legislative function. That is their constitutional duty.